Hi, boys and girls. So for history today, Monday, be May 4th, we're going to start by looking at this map. And we're just practicing some of our map reading skills. We haven't gotten to do that for a while, so this will be some good review. All right, so we're going to, let's see, what is this part of the map? Good, that is our compass rose. And how about this? What do we call this? Who remembers? Right, so this is our key, or sometimes they call it a legend. And that tells us what each of the symbols mean. So the star means that there was a major Civil War battle there. The states that are not shaded in are the Union states, and the states that are shaded in are the Confederate states. So we're going to use that information to help us answer the questions. All right, the first question says, in which states were there major Civil War battles? Okay, well, I'm going to look for every state that has a star in it, and then I'm going to list all those states. And when I'm listing those states, I'm going to, when we're making a list, you just separate them with a comma. It doesn't have to be a complete sentence, because I think if we do complete sentences, we might run out of space. But let's see, Pennsylvania, Maryland, Virginia, Kentucky, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. All right, so we're going to list all of those. Make sure we're capitalizing, spelling them correctly because the spellings are on the states, and separating them with a comma. All right, number 2 says, which state had the most major battles? Well, remember, each star means one battle, one major battle. So the state that had the most major battles is going to be the state with the most stars. Which of those states has the most stars? It's Virginia, isn't it? All right, so that I am going to write a complete sentence. Virginia had the most major battles. All right, our third question says, where and when did General Lee surrender to General Grant? Okay, so that is marked on our map right here. Okay. So, and let's do a complete sentence with that as well. So General Lee surrendered to General Grant at the Appomattox Courthouse on April 9th, 1865. You know, that was a lot to remember. I'll go ahead and pause the video, write it in, and then you can use that to help you if you are having any questions about this. All right, so here are my answers. Yeah, there was hardly enough room to list all of those states there. And then make sure you're using a complete sentence for 2 and 3, starting with a capital letter, ending with a period. All right, so that was just some map work for us to do, just to review some things about the Civil War, and also just to practice using a map to get information again. All right, so nice job.